Hey guys, Ashley here from The Handmade Home. I'm here today to take on a little project. We have a table that we are no longer happy with. It came to us unsealed. So over time, anything that we ate on it didn't stand a chance, from water rings to Mexican food to French fries. Over time, spots formed and we weren't happy with it. It isn't sealed. We debated on what to do with it. We decided we could use a little color in this corner of our home. So we are going to paint it using an easy technique and a little frog tape, and we're about to show you how. All you need are some of your very favorite paint colors that you have on hand, some paintbrushes, and frog tape. We can't wait to show you. Using alternating colors as you go, use your frog tape to help you form your lines. Wiping up a mistake, that's why I use frog tape. A great part about this project is that you can decide on colors as you go. If you're working on a stained surface, it's perfectly fine to keep a few of your lines a little bit rustic so that you can show a bit of the stain through the edges. Once it's dry, it's also fine to distress it a little, so go back and scrape away any of your paint before it is fully set in. Just rub it away as you go, and even if you make any mistakes, you can always fill them back in later. Once that's dry, go back with a little bit of stain for a wipe on, wipe off effect. We like to call this our tea stain. It helps age and blend in with all the paint and the colors to give it a more seamless look. So here we are with our painted table from Frog Tape, and we absolutely love the new look. There are no more dingy spots or gross scratches. It's full of personality and color. There is nothing that we love more than a table full of friends and family gathered around for great conversation and food. We cannot wait to let the new memories begin.